Alright, we're in a 2020 Sahara. Just put a VLite module in it for CarPlay. CarPlay users, we don't use the dedicated buttons anymore. We use the track buttons to handle calls. That's Google Maps. With VLite, we can't put this on the driver's side yet. I'm guessing it will come in an update a bit later on. But everything else is there. It's pretty nifty. It's nice and responsive. I won't let the music play too long because the copyright police will get it. Hey Siri, call home.
Calling Scott home.
Thank you. Hey Makushi Audio, make sure you remember that. And so to hang up, we'll just use this button. Nice and responsive. Just not used to this touch screen. There's Waze. I don't think my TomTom Go works anymore. Google. That's what I use the most. And you can go back to split screen. Oh yeah, and all your navigation, where's your climate, is still there, easy to get to, and then you just hit the audio button to go back. So yeah, you can't just hit the climate button, home, climate, do whatever you need to do. I've also got the Bluetooth turned off because I'm using an iPhone. We don't use the factory Bluetooth. And another thing is auto screen change. You want that off or it'll flick back to the factory maps. Cool. Yeah, all the reverse cameras still work as per usual.